In this video, I want to talk about how to solve a quadratic equation with complex roots. So to do that, we're going to use the quadratic formula, and the quadratic formula says that if we have an equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, then the solutions to that equation are x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So first let's figure out what are a, b, and c in our equation. So a is what goes right here. If we don't see anything there, then it's an invisible 1. So that's a. B is negative 4, and c is 5. So x equals negative b, so positive 4, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so negative 4 squared, minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. Okay, so this is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 20 all over 2. So this is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 all over 2. So now the square root of negative 4 is the square root of 4 times the square root of negative 1 all over 2. And then the square root of the square root of 4 is just 2, and the square root of negative 1 is I all over 2, and now we can divide through by 2. So it's 2 plus or minus I. So the two possible solutions in this case are 2 plus I, or x equals 2 minus I. And that's how we use the quadratic formula to solve a quadratic equation with complex roots.